Oh, good morning, everyone. We are just looking around. We got flooded last night. Well, not the house, but the chicken yard. I'll put that little clip right here.
Which way you want to go?
Do you want to go get our honey first?
Which way you want to go?
Which way's our honey?
Way.
Go that way.
You got money? Money?
Yeah, so we're gonna look and see what's flooded. Harrow's bad.
Look at it here.
Yeah. It rained so hard. Oh my goodness.
Look at here.
Look.
Yeah, no, look at here.
Look at their yards. Ours is too bad compared to this. Wow. As long as it doesn't reach the houses, right? Wow, look at this.
All his veggies. All his squash. Look, they're floating on the top of the water. Watermelon or whatever there.
Wow. Here's some more.
Look at on this side. That guy's got the creek in there. There's a little pond in there. Oh, shoot.
Wow. So our plan is to go get our honey for the year. We always get local honey, and we get enough for till next year. Raw honey is the best. Fresh, probably just, fresh from today or yesterday. And yeah, I use it a lot in recipes and all kinds of cooking. Yeah. So we want to get our winter supply of honey.
Flood control, I think.
Huh?
That guy in the truck, I think that's flood control or the hydro company.
Big Creek could use that water. There's all the friggin' lily pads in there. Fill it up. Okay, well, where we got our honey last year, they're not open right now.
They're
Bumpy ride. So Bruce knows another local place, but we're going to go to the bank and in town first. And, well, you drop me off at Dollarama and then you go to the bank. Yes.
You go to Dollarama together because that way there you don't spend so much.
Oh, get out of here. Okay, guys, we ran in Walmart because they had Jan's chicken for $4.97. So I didn't even film. I was like heading right to.
She's supposed to wait for me at the washroom. I was lost. Oh, she's got to be gone. The lady's looking at me. I should have said to her, "Did you see a lady in an orange shirt?" But I couldn't remember what color her shirt was. And
leave the windows up. The bees are coming.
Oh, they're all.
Please.
They need to have a place to live.
No, I don't want a bee near me.
Oh, you don't want me to be near you.
Okay, now we're gonna head to
the honey.
Dollarama.
No, we're not. We're going Home Depot.
Huh?
Going to the Honey Depot.
No, we gotta go to Dollarama now. I said to Bruce, let's go to the thrift store. We haven't been to our new thrift store.
And I said, let's just go. And she's, no, let's go now. Let's go now.
No, I didn't.
Let's go now, you little brat.
I said, we haven't been in it
yet. She's like a kid in a candy store.
Since it's moved
the thrift store, the thrift store. Let's go to the thrift store.
Yeah. Last time I come, it was like not even open.
If you be good, I'll bring you to the thrift store.
Aren't I lucky?
That's right. You're lucky to have a little short, stubby carpenter.
Bet you it's a lot busier here, eh? In this location. Oh, did that bee go in your face, guys?
Did you lock it?
No, you did.
Did I? Where's the check?
Where? It's not a chicken. Why you gotta be so aggravating every day?
That's why we get along so well.
Oh,
Look at the little gnome.
I don't like those things.
I can in my garden. Bring me good.
My Florida vacation was so expensive, I can only afford half a cup.
Oh, this is all carved out of wood. You know what it is?
What?
I thought maybe it was a corkscrew.
What is it?
Look at the lampshade. See this one?
I don't like seagulls. My cart has a mind of its own. I've got more than enough dishes. I'm not seeing anything that catches my eye.
Tomato slicer.
Junk.
$1.
Nah. I got a knife that does the job. Does the job.
Well, here's your egg thing.
What do I want with that?
For your eggs.
I got enough of those. That one's ugly. Bruce has to have lunch, so he ran in to get us a little thin crust small pizza to share. And of course I think he's gonna buy Nate one too. And then I'm gonna get to the dollar store. That thrift store is crap. I wouldn't run back in there again. I didn't like it. What'd she buy? She got a whole friggin' box full. I didn't see nothing but crap in there. What you got in there, lady? Let me know. I think I might just go to the Dollarama tomorrow by myself because we have this frozen stuff in the van. We gotta get home and we still gotta go get our honey. What are they doing? Making it in there? Gosh, taking forever. I just want to go home now. I'm not going in the Dollarama with him. He'll rush me, right? Yeah. What the heck is he? Oh, he's got his hands full. Hey, hon, did you have to make it yourself? Give me the pot. Oh, put it here.
Well, I gotta get in.
What happened?
Took 10 minutes. Takes 10 minutes.
Oh. I'm not going to go to Dollarama.
Yay!
I'll go tomorrow by myself.
Thank God. There is a God.
Because we got to get this stuff home.
We gotta get honey.
Yeah. We got to get the frozen stuff home, too.
Might as well just eat at home. I should have just...
Well, we can have a piece right now. Just a quick piece.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh, I don't like pepperoni.
No. What's this? Well, what's it give me him a flatbread for?
Flatbread?
Flat crust.
That's not flat. No, it's not. Thin crust.
You didn't like pepperoni. That's ours.
Oh, and it's on thin crust.
Yes.
That's hot. Better let it cool off.
Just like eating it raw. Sure.
That is one good pizza. What do you think of it, hon?
I got it. What do you think?
Do you like the thin crust? Oh. There's a bee in here. Open your window. Oh, I'm over this. Time of year. It went in the back. It went in the back.
Yeah, well, what am I going to do? I ain't going back there. I'm eating. It's closed too?
Yeah, they're all open Saturday.
That don't make any sense.
Well, probably because they work during the week, maybe. All the honey places are closed till Saturday. We can just get it on Saturday.
I'm not going out Saturday. We got a big thing to go to.
Oh. Just want to see what happened down the road.
Fell. Look, it's right there across the road.
Where?
Can't see
Oh,
that
yeah.
big tree?
Yeah, I see it. It's a limb.
You call it a freaking limb?
That's a limb, yeah. Oh. Wow.
Damn YouTubers almost hit his house.
Huh?
Came close to his house.
Yeah.
But it hit his house.
Nobody's coming out. Everybody here? Where's Peanut? What do you think you're doing? Huh? Oh, for gosh. Peanut, are they bugging you? Someone else laid an egg. That's 2 eggs today. What in the world? You make me feel guilty because I won't let you out. Oh my gosh. Yes, dinner served on the deck tonight because he's too wet down there. Okay, let me show you what we got. We can't get honey till Saturday, so we just come home. I got 6 packages of Cocoa Soft cookies. These were marked down, so I picked 2 of those up. I love the naan bread. And the Jan's chicken was on for $4.97. I got 1 of the burgers and 6 of the nuggets. These were on sale, the sausages. I got 1 cheese and 1 honey garlic. I wanted to have some pepperoni for the freezer for pizzas. And I got this for the dogs. I'm going to cook them up, 1 pack. There's 4 rolls in there. It was only $6. Cook that up for them. And that'll be their chicken. Well, it's turkey, but that's okay. Yeah. And that's what we got. I'm shopping for the sales. Okay, you guys. I'm just throwing my chicken breasts. They're still frozen in the crock pot with ranch powder and cream cheese. And then I got the dog's turkey cooked. I cooked it on the bacon sheet for a little bit of flavor. Yeah, and we're just going to have this for dinner later on tonight. But nothing special. So I'm going to end this video right here because I got a lot of editing to do. And I want to work on my puzzle. I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish my puzzle today. I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish my puzzle today, so I'll show you that. So thanks for joining us, you guys. We'll have to get honey in another day, and yeah, I'll bring you tomorrow with me to Dollarama. Just me and you will go. See you guys in the next one.